In this video, I will be providing you with 21 different star-shaped deck designs that I created with one of my AI programs. And even though some of them might look difficult, I think they could actually be built with a combination of different lumber. And that would be a combination of different hardwoods or softwoods, or even engineered decking materials. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video so that you do not miss one of these. I really couldn't believe some of the incredible designs that I got out of this program. And if you want to see more of them, let me know in the comment area. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.